Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 12th of August 2024. US Dow Jones increased 0.13%, settling the day at 39,497.54 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,745.30, raising 0.51%. In the Asian market, Hang Seng is trading at 17,090.23. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,406, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII bought 406.72 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Traders will assess inflation and industrial output data from India due later in the day. Hindenburg Research on Sunday responded to SEBI chief Madhabi Puri Buck's statement from the weekend that accused the short seller of attempting a character assassination of the Bucks. Now talking about global aspects, Japan's Tokyo Stock Exchange closed on Monday on the occasion of Mountain Day. China's bond market rattled as central bank squares off with bond bulls. WTI fell 0.2% to $78.74 a barrel and the Brent fell 0.2% to $79.50 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 103.15. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.08%, up. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. The Indian benchmark indices traded within a narrow range throughout the day, marked by a significant cool down in volatility. The market opened with a gap up, driven by positive sentiment following US labor market data that eased concerns about a potential recession in the world's largest economy. The Sensex gained over 800 points, closing at 79,705.91, while the Nifty ended the day on a firm note at 24,367.50. Outlook for the day: Nifty index has formed a hammer candle on the weekly charts, indicating a potential further upside move in the coming week after a contraction of 1,000 points from its life highs. The next resistance level is at 24,400, and if this level breaks, we could move towards 25,000. On the support side, 24,000 will act as a major support area which is also near 55 days EMA, and if the index moves below this, we could see a fall towards 23,500. The market structure appears strong, suggesting a buy on dips approach for Monday. The Nifty Bank Index has formed a doji candle on the weekly charts, suggesting a potential reversal. It traded within a 49,600 to 50,600 range, with strong support near 49,900, backed by the 100 EMA, indicating an imminent UP move. A breach below 49,900 could lead to a drop towards 49,400. Resistance is seen at 50,400, and sustained trading above this level may push the index towards 51,000 to 51,200. The overall market sentiment is bullish, favoring a buy on dip strategy. Stocks on radar are Bullish View, Bharat Forge, Tata Motors, Oberoi Realty, Persistent Systems Limited, Coromandel. Bearish View, JK Cement, Siemens, IPCA Laboratories, Bosch, Balrampur Chini Mills Limited. Our chart of the day is bullish on trend. Trade of the day: trend, buy at 6,250 to 6,270. Stop 6,000, targets 6,500. Aggressive targets at 6,430. Rationale: breakout. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken